Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make postcards on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to type in Paris and I'm just going to make this big, and I'm going to also change the font. You can use any font you want. I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to create an outline with this. Place it in the middle. You can also change the color to whatever color you like. I'm just going to select purple and I'm just going to add stroke ever so slightly, just like a little bit. Oh, I need to do it before that, but yeah, I don't need to do that. You can customize it to your own liking. You are going to go to the warp section under effect and you're going to select arc. Here you're just going to adjust the bend. Maybe I do not need to do the create outlines. Hold on. There we go. Effect. Let me see if this works now. If it doesn't, then oh yeah, it does. And you can just bend it to maybe this much, not that much. Press OK, and I'm also going to add in the stroke, but just like a little bit. And then you're just going to add in a background of Paris and like little writings here and there. That's the first like text effect you can do. Then you can also do the like 3D effect. I'm going to again change the font maybe for this one. Maybe this one. Maybe not actually. Maybe this one. Just gonna make it a little bit smaller. Then I'm going to change the color to maybe like a blue, like this kind of blue. I don't know, it's up to you, like how you want to edit these texts. Then for this one, I am going to create outlines. Go to object, path, and then offset path. And then do like maybe 5. So it's not too much. And then you're going to color in that black. And then I'm just going to color everything black for this one. And I'm just going to place it like behind the text for like this kind of 3D postcard effect. You can do more than me. Obviously, you can use glyphs as well here. Let me just copy and paste this one. And then I'm going to select this, for instance, go to Windows and go to glyphs just to make it interesting. Where is it? Type glyphs. There we go. And you're just going to find like an S that's like different than this, I guess. Maybe like this one. Or like the R has like a little tail. Like that, maybe. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. Obviously, you're going to add more stuff, but this is just more focused on the typography of it all. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.